Hello, class. My name is Dr. Sheldon Cooper, and today we'll be watching Captain America Civil War. Bazinga. I'm really gonna teach you about climate change. Who here knows what climate change is and believe that it's an issue? It turns out that climate change, or long-term changes in average weather patterns, is a huge issue that deserves attention today. Does anyone know what the main causes of climate change are?
Me!
Dr. Glass?
Well, there are several causes of climate change, including periodic changes in forcings, such as Milankovitch cycles and changes in albedo. But one of the most impactful, of course, is the greenhouse effect.
Excellent! The greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is the gradual increase of greenhouse gases, notably carbon dioxide, in the atmosphere. Humans are rapidly increasing the greenhouse effect, which is significantly contributing to climate change. Does anyone have any ideas of how we could reduce the greenhouse effect?
Come on, pick me. You know I'm right.
Donald.
I have a wonderful idea. We need to build a giant dome to keep all of the unwanted greenhouse gases out of the atmosphere and make Earth great again.
A dome?
No. I'm not done yet. We build a giant dome and have Mars pay for it. It'll be huge.
That idea is ridiculous. Building a giant dome will only make the problem worse. The gases will continue to accumulate in our atmosphere with no way of ever escaping and cause climate change to increase exponentially. Does anyone have a scientific solution to the greenhouse effect? Dr. Glass?
There are actually several ways in which we can decrease the greenhouse effect. Reducing emissions by using electric cars and renewable energy helps. But I believe there's also something called geoengineering.
Yes, Dr. Glass. Geoengineering is where scientists deliberately interfere with the environment to combat climate change. There are several types of geoengineering that scientists are working on, from building machines that reduce carbon dioxide to introducing minerals that enhance weathering. Thank you, Dr. Glass.